American 1722, contact departure.
Mayday, 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 American 1722, engine failure.
November, okay, American 1722, roger, can you make the right down off the runway 31?
We're too heavy, let's go Kennedy.
Kennedy, okay, roger. Okay. Alright, just maintain 2,000 feet right now, and present heading.
Say again for American 1722.
1722, maintain 2,000, present heading, we're coordinating right now.
2000 American 1722.
527 Alpha Hotel, right turn, contact ground point 7, good time off the runway.
Right turn, good on 7 Alpha Hotel. We saw the flashes on that American on takeoff.
That's what's coordinating, so just contact ground right off the runway, and good time, Travis, come out behind you, get off the runway. American 1722, can you continue climbing or you have to maintain 2,000?
We can continue, American 1722.
American 1722, continue climbing at 5,000. Continue climbing at 5,000, contact approach now. 120.4, they're going to reroute you.
5,000 American 1722.
1722, contact approach 120.4.
20.4 American 1722. American 1722.
American 1722, New York approach, you're ready to contact, say intentions when able.
We'd like to land at Kennedy, please.
All right, so are you able to climb up to 4 or 5,000?
5,000 American 1722.
American 1722, turn right heading 090, maintain 5,000, you're there to vectors to Kennedy, and looks like 31 right is the
31 right, American 1722.
American 1722, when able, say intentions of the emergency, the nature of the emergency, and souls on board and fuel when able.
Okay, stand by on the souls and fuels. It appears we have an engine failure, but we're still kind of working through to figure out what's going on. We hit birds on the way out.
Roger. American 1722, is it easier to go left or right for the turn?
Whatever gets us in quicker.
Turn right heading 140, American 1722.
140.
American 1722, clear to Kennedy via radar vectors, turn right heading 150, maintain 5,000. Let me know when you're able to get X-ray or I can read it to you.
Okay, heading 150, 5,000, stand by on X-ray.
American 1722, you can expect ILS 31 left.
31 left, 1722.
American 1722, when you have a second, you know which engine is out, and then souls and fuel?
Number 2 engine, right now we have 17,300 pounds of fuel, souls 200.
Roger. American 1722, contact approach 125.7.
257, 1722. Approach American 1722, verify 31 left.
American 1722, that's correct. Expect the ILS to runway 31 left.
Roger.
American 1722, this is maintain 4,000. You guys need any time to set up for the approach, or you want to go right in?
Descend to 4,000, we'll need a few minutes, American 1722.
Okay, no problem.
American 1722 is ready for the approach.
Very well, American 1722, turn right heading 230, descend maintain 3,000.
230, 3,000, American 1722.
American 1722, turn right heading 270, intercept localizer 31 left.
270 heading, intercept 31 left, American 1722.
American 1722, traffic off your left and about a mile at 2,000 feet. It's an Airbus 320 inbound to the parallel.
No contact, you can advise American 1722.
No problem. American 1722, 3000, full stab vocalizer, cleared ILS 31 left approach. American 1722, maintain 3000, full stab vocalizer, cleared ILS 31 left.
3000, clear the ILS 31 left, American 17.
American 1722, contact tower 123.9er.
239, American 1722. American 1722 with you, ILS 31 left.
American 1722, Kennedy Tower, cautioning turbulence, a heavy Airbus 330 will depart prior to your arrival, wind 310 at 13. Traffic off your right side inbound for the parallel, and Airbus 321 out of 2000. Runway 31 left, clear to land.
American 1722, we're in emergency. Can you just clear us to land, please, without having to worry about departing traffic?
Yeah, I was giving you the cautionary turbulence because it's a heavy. Runway 31 left, clear to land, American 1722.
Clear to land, 31 left, American 1722. American 1722, we'd like a straight out missed approach if that's required, if that's needed.
American 1722, if you do that, you're going to cause more problems for yourself than you're going to save. I would highly recommend a 90-degree left turn on the missed approach.
All right, 90-degree left turn, what heading, sir?
220.
220 heading in the event of a missed approach.
And American 1722, I missed the last part, say it again?
Yeah, what was the heading for us if we need it?
If you need it, left to 220.
220 heading, thanks, sir, if we need it.
And 1722, just so you know, the left turn is as you're able. So you know, if you need to go straight for a little bit to gain altitude, that's whatever you need to do.
Thanks a lot. And we'll be making a full stop on the runway and assess things. American 1722.
1722, Roger. Be advised, the equipment is standing by.
Thank you.
American 1722, when able, advisory require any assistance.
American 1722, we're going to have fire and rescue check. Number 2 engine's got issues, but we struck multiple birds out of LaGuardia.
American 1722, Roger. American 1722, just switch frequencies to 121.65. I'll have the emergency equipment on that frequency to talk to you.
Yeah.